Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
You know, I'm not a morning person at all. And the biggest problem I face in the morning is मेरी चाय कौन बनाएगा? अब आप लोगों की तरह मैं फैमिली के साथ तो रहता नहीं हूँ, इसलिए मुझे अपनी चाय खुद ही बनानी पड़ती है. I have to get up in the morning, get ready, brush my teeth, come to the kitchen और चाय बनाओ. वैसे इस उबलते हुए पानी को देखकर मेरे दिमाग में भी एक उबलता हुआ DIY आइडिया आया है, जो स्पेशली लड़कियों को काफी पसंद आएगा, चाहे वो मास या फिर क्लास. नाम तो सुना ही होगा, मेरा नाम है आकाश. Welcome to DIY. So as I was saying, उबलता हुआ पानी, उबलता हुआ idea. What do we do generally with an old toothbrush? We either use it to clean mirror, jewelry, bottles, or we throw it away. How about we chop off the bristles? क्योंकि bristles हमारे किसी काम के नहीं हैं. Once we have chopped off the bristles, put the brush in boiling water and let it be there for a while. थोड़ी देर बॉयल होने के बाद the brush will start becoming soft, जिससे वो bend होना शुरू हो जाएगा. So after a while, the brush will become soft, so you can go ahead and try and see if you can bend. Here we go. It is bending, as you can see. So then using a cloth, bend it further. Keep putting pressure so that it keeps on bending. And then after a while, take it out using a cloth ताकि आपके हाथों को झटका ना लगे. Bend it further and your old toothbrush becomes a bracelet cum bangle for you. है तो लड़कियों के लिए, but I'll also try. Looks cool.
Toothbrush bracelet. Materials required are toothbrush, cloth, scissors, heat-resistant tongs, and a container to boil water. Procedure is: first take an old toothbrush and cut off its bristles. Put the brush in boiling water. Let it soften for some time. Once the brush softens completely, remove it out and start bending it with the help of a cloth. After you're done bending the brush in its desired shape, your new toothbrush bracelet is ready.
ये मेरा ऑर्डर आ गया. Last week online, I ordered a few wine glasses. I actually have a fetish for glassware, but that's my biggest problem also. अब ना मेरे किचन में ना घर में कहीं और इतनी जगह है जहां पे I store all these glasses. In fact, many of you must be having the same fetish. Glasses बहुत सारे घर में आ तो जाते हैं, but your house, either it's big or small, you must be facing this problem of where to store all those glasses. Let me check out the design first. Yay! Looks classy, no? So as I was saying, many of you must be facing the same problem. इतने सारे glasses को store कहाँ करें? So last week, I was just reading newspaper and this idea hit me कि क्यों ना glass holder बनाया जाए. DIY wine glass holder. For this, all you'll need is an old broken rake, जिससे हम घास खोदते हैं. Either it's broken या फिर आप break कर लीजिए. Then take a wine bottle cork and insert it in, and then using a J-shaped hook, nail it inside the cork. Now, put a nail on the wall, then hang it on the nail. And now, you can place your wine glasses on this rake. DIY wine glass holder. Simple है, also effective है.
Broken rake wine glass holder. Materials required are broken rake, wine bottle cork, J-shaped hook, nail, hammer. Procedure is: take an old broken rake and then place a wine bottle cork in the rake. And using J-shaped hook, just nail the rake on the wall. You can place wine glass on the rake. Your new wine glass holder is ready.
चलो, स्पेस प्रॉब्लम तो आपकी सॉर्ट हो गई. ट्रेन. साइकिल की सवारी है, दुनिया हमारी है. साइकिल की सवारी है, दुनिया हमारी है. You know, practically, everyone's first vehicle is a cycle. We all have at least one interesting story revolving around our first cycle. Be it when we were teenagers, trying to impress a girl using our brand new cycle, or racing with our friends after school. But धीरे धीरे, when we grow up, our fantasies move on to cars, bikes, etc., etc. But cycles take a U-turn and enter back into our lives in the form of exercising. In fact, मुझे लगता है साइकिल हमें सही मायने में सिखाती है what is freedom all about. But what do we do with an old cycle? Either वो हमारे गराज में सड़ रही होती है, और we try to sell it off, लेकिन बदले में हमें कुछ मिलता नहीं है, or we simply give it away. But my question is, why? Why give it away? Akash is here. Why to fear? So how about using our old cycle and making something so awesome out of it कि जो भी उसे देखे कहे वाह. तो चले. First, take the rim off the cycle and then using spray paint, color of your choice, paint the rim. I use red because I'm romantic at heart. Then, take an old clock और उसकी मशीन को हटा लीजिए. Now, fix this machine on the rim like this. And on the front part, take a CD and fix it. Now to decorate it further, you can again use spray paint and color the CD. To make hands of the clock, we'll use inchy tape. For two reasons: it's sturdy, and secondly, it looks very cool to me. We'll cut off two such pieces to make the minute wala hand and hour wala hand. Now, on the CD which you have used, fix both the hands plus the seconds wala hand. Then now, if you're wondering, यहाँ पर if I'm trying to make a clock, numbers कहाँ पे लिखे जाएंगे? I'll give you the solution. Take an old dirty piece of plywood जो आप use नहीं कर रहे हैं, and cut off a big round piece from it, bigger than the rim, ताकि rim जब इस पे fix हो, you still have place left to write down the digits. Then, to make this clock look more colorful, you can actually paint the board also. I used black color. And finally, when you're done, your cycle wall clock will look like this. I've used acrylic paint to draw the numbers. Then make a hole here. Use a thread or a thick size ribbon so that you can hang it. Wherever you want to hang it, उस जगह पर एक nail गाड़ दीजिए. And then, ओहो, मैं खुद ही कह देता हूं, awesome, आपका अच्छा वक्त आ चुका है.
Bicycle tire wall clock. Materials required are old bicycle tire, old wall clock machine, glue, nail, hammer, CD, paint, plywood. Take an old bicycle tire and fix the clock machine at the center of the tire. Also take a CD and fix it on the tire so that you can make the hands of the clock. To write the numbers, take a piece of plywood and paint it in black and then write the numbers in Roman using white paint. Hang it on the wall using nail and hammer.
You know, I love cooking and I love being in the kitchen. But while cooking, we all face a very small problem. That is measuring. Whenever we're using atta, rice or oil, we end up guessing कि 250 ml शायद 250 ml होगा, 250 grams शायद 250 grams होगा. But इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? Like in schools, teachers use blackboard to teach students. I have come up with my very own measuring blackboard. Presenting Akash Ka Jadoo, my measuring blackboard. What I've done is, I've taken a very thick, big piece of cardboard, cover it with black chart paper, and nail J-shaped hooks in 2 lines. So in this above line, I'm gonna hang my weapons to measure liquid items. और नीचे वाले लाइन में I'm gonna hang my weapons to measure solid items. Now, these are my so-called weapons to measure liquid items in increasing order. So I'm gonna hang these here in increasing order. And now, these are my weapons to measure solid items like atta, rice. I'm gonna hang these in the bottom line. Again, in increasing order. Now, we'll use the mighty chalk to write on this measuring blackboard. तो ऊपर मैं लिख देता हूं liquid items and the capacity of these weapons. (10 ml) 25 ml, 50 ml, 75 ml, and 100 ml. And on top of this line, I'll write solid items and the capacity of these spoons. 50 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams, and 250 grams. So now, whenever you want to measure food items like oil, rice, wheat, whatever, आपको exactly पता होगा आपको कौन सा spoon use करना है to measure them. Be it 75 ml or 250 grams, be it 100 ml or 50 grams. So ये measuring blackboard आपकी life को काफी sorted बनाने वाला है.
Measuring equipment board. Materials required are plywood piece, black chart paper, chalk, measuring equipments of different size. Procedure is, take a piece of plywood, cover it with black chart paper. To hang different measuring equipments of various sizes, nail J-shaped hooks on the plywood piece. Take a piece of chalk and make 2 sections, one for liquid items and one for solid items. Measure liquid items in ml and solid in grams and write it on the measuring board with a piece of chalk.
You know, some people say you get only one life. So I think life should be colorful. So क्यों ना आपकी लाइफ में कुछ कलर्स ऐड किया जाए. I'm talking about your home. Home sweet home. Home हमारा जितना कलरफुल लगता है उतनी हमारे दिल को खुशी मिलती है. So my next trick is gonna help you make your house look more colorful. For this, first take colored decorative paper, cut off pieces like this in such shape. Then take a piece of sunboard and cut off a circle. Make sure you cut off the center part. You can mark it using a marker and then using cutter simply cut off this part. Then take these pieces of decorative paper and fold them in this way so that they take the shape of a cone. You can paste it either using glue or staple it. There we go. Now put some cuts in all the corners and fold these parts so that it looks like a flower. Make sure you fold the base in such a way जिससे आप इस कोन को पेस्ट कर सकें, like this. Now start sticking these cones on this sunboard piece using glue or any strong adhesive. Now take some artificial flowers and leaves and further use these to decorate these cones. Place them in the middle of the cone. Add some leaves. And once you're done covering the entire piece of sunboard, your sunboard turns into a very colorful and classy looking wall hanging using just paper, sunboard and artificial flowers.
Colored paper wreath. Materials required are colored paper, sunboard, scissor, cutter, glue, artificial flowers, stapler. Procedure is, take a piece of sunboard, cut it in round shape. Using a cutter, cut its center part. Now take a colored paper and make a cone of it by using a stapler. Glue this colored paper flower along with artificial flowers on the sunboard. Cover the entire circle with flowers and your colored paper wreath is ready.
I actually have a lot of decorative paper मेरे घर पर जिसका I don't know what to do. So I have come up with another DIY idea using decorative paper to make something creative for my place. Obviously हमारे और आपके दोनों के घर के लिए. So for this brilliant idea of mine, take decorative paper, cut off pieces like this. Now fold them ताकि ये cone shape ले ले. You know, I have a fetish for ice creams also. That's why I love the cone shape. Oh. Then using stapler, staple it. Keep making such cones we'll need quite a few. Now, at the bottom of these cones, make sure there are holes big enough कि एक धागा इनके आर पार चला जाए. Now, take a long piece of thread, make it go through this cone, one after the other. So similarly, after every cone, we'll tie a knot, and then we'll take a round piece of sunboard, using marker and a cutter, cut off the center portion. Now we'll use either a nail or a pen and make holes all around this piece. Now, we'll take these strings and make them go through these holes like this. We'll just leave behind 3 holes on 3 separate corners ताकि ऊपर से हम धागा बांध सकें to hang it. Once you are done with this entire process, which looks tough, but trust me, it's very simple. Your decorative paper cone wall hanging is going to look like this. So what I've done is, I have made numerous strings with cones. उन्हें holes में मैंने knot बांधनी है. And I've used these 2 holes to tie this separate thread so that यहाँ पर I can tie a knot and hang it on the wall. To make it further look more colorful, you can draw something on this surface or maybe use glue, glitter, decorative paper or further add stickers to it. And now I'm going to hang it. So it's going to make your house look more colorful and more vibrant.
Decorative recycled paper wall hanging. Materials required are sunboard, glue, stapler, thread, J-shaped hook, scissor, cutter. Procedure is, take a piece of sunboard, cut it in circular shape. Using a cutter, cut its center part. Now take colored paper, decorative paper, and make a cone of it by using a stapler. By using a hook, make holes on the sunboard. Make a string of the cones using thread and tie them on the sunboard. Your decorative paper wall hanging is ready.
अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं. फिर कब मिलोगे? Next week. If you have any questions regarding the so-called trash at your house, how, when, why, Akash is gonna answer on DIY. Keep watching.